How to fix Rails music problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rails music problem on Android phone. All you need to do, just open settings and then go to apps and apps again. Now just type here Instagram and click permissions. Now just enable all of those here, and maybe you will find storage like that. Click on it and click allow, and now just go to storage, and here you will find clear cache. Click on it. Now just go back, and now just close all the apps in the background and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.